Okay, in this video, in order to solve for x, we have to find a common denominator for each of these. When we do that, we're going to put this x over 1. And I can tell that 6 would be my common denominator. And this would remain the same, this right here. What do I do to this to get 6? Multiply each thing by 2, so I get an 8. And I multiply each of these by 6 over 6, and I get 6x. And I multiply each of these by 3, and I get 9x. Multiply everything by 6 so those denominators can cancel out. I get 9x minus 6x, which is 3x. And I get x minus 8. So I add 8 to both sides. No, I don't do that. I take x off of both sides. And I get 2x equals negative 8. And then, of course, I divide through by 2 on both sides. And I get x equals negative 4.